SHIFAH Nakawombe owa program wewunyisa omwagalwawo eyavaayo okutambuliranga ku mazima n'okukugusizanga ensonga kale nno tumugoberere tetugenda kwejjusa.
Nyongero bajjukiza lwaki sibawa ate bafotographer abakabi nemba wa connection ne nga sinava wano babayise Hypex Studios obasanga awo najja nankumbi ni Jacobins Motel Busabala Road ye enamba zaabwe ez'essimu basange ku +256 754 19 24 34 obo basange ku +256 789 34 38 02 for editing video editing and shooting covering all functions like wedding, birthday parties, introduction, corporate parties, etc, meeting, conferences zonna bazikola. Nobo ina gwenga just ina meetings zozokola nengo yagala zibere covered. Bobo ina housewarming oyingira nnyumba yo. Byonna babikolako mikwano bekwate.
Smartphone and 10,500. 10,500 jemtwala 15 kati gwe wakana nze muvunuza asinga gwe modiza akazinda tukamodize modiza akazinda wakama ze mvunula ateze nasoma.
It is 10,000 and plus 5,000 shillings.
Zena bagambye kati oba naye yabala obugere bibiri nibuweze emitwalo ebiri
10,000 1,500 400
ng'ovunuze
bubi.
What do you mean?
I mean 10,000
take one on
500 shillings.
Okay, 10,500 shillings. Jemtwalo meka?
Komeneta. Kituufu. So munange jingo bwe batyo abayaye ne babba.
Where did it happen from?
At town.
At which town? E'bakka town? Dundu?
Kampala.
Kampala.
Where exactly in Kampala?
At Nakasero.
Nakasero. Ati Nakasero yabadde Nakasero abayeje bamuje bamusanze.
Where?
At Nakasero.
So after beating you, what happened? How did you come back home?
The policeman come. Take me on ambulance.
Yes. An ambulance, yes. They took you where?
At Mulago.
They took you to Mulago.
At Mulago.
Okay.
Who took you?
Policeman.
Take one.
Policeman.
And the what?
She took me to Mulago.
Okay.
She took me to the Mulago.
Oh. And then how did your people know at home?
I don't. This one is the one who beat me. She moved me the phone.
The what?
She take my phone.
Who? That one who she beat you?
Muyai.
The Muyai guy.
Okay. And then
she called my mother.
Hey, Muyai go what?
Muyai wachisa muna. Agamba omuntu tomutuze.
What did he tell your mother?
This one, she get an accident. She called an accident, just an accident.
Then he did he switch off the phone or he left it on?
And she switch off.
He switch off.
after calling my mom.
They switch off and take the phone.
After calling
Yes. Kati bo bategeeza
that
ko
this
omuntu
one she get an accident.
and finish class.
Didn't your mother get scared?
She be scared.
Eh?
She told me,
Hey.
Jingo, what happened? My mom, I talked to my mom.
Hey.
My mom told me I get it, but yeah, she beat me on my leg,
Bambi.
on my skeleton, my body.
Naye mwe temuseka naye mala baleeta wano oluzungu omuku omu jakyulira.
She beat you on your skeleton.
The skeleton broken. You guy. And the skeleton now paining.
Paining me. The paining. The pain is here and stomach. There is a pain.
There is a pain also.
So how did you leave Mulago? Because you've told me that you haven't got treatment because you don't have money.
But the other engineer come.
Which engineer?
Boss, the boss.
For who?
My boss. She came to give the money.
They pay the bills,
They pay the bills.
Okay.
They pay the bills.
What is bills? What do you mean by bills?
A cent, a cent.
And then?
I leave the Mulago.
Oh, but you left when you're okay or you were still sick?
I'm still sick.
Oh, sorry. So why didn't you remain there? Because you were still sick?
There is not a place where I'm supposed to sleep.
Hey. You didn't have a bed. You were sleeping down on the floor.
On Katanda.
On the Katanda. Then what happened from the Katanda?
Why did you leave the Katanda?
The nurse come to on my bed, yeah. She's moving me to putting another bed.
They removed you from that bed to another bed. Then why don't you remain on that other bed?
I don't know.
You don't know? Bambi, sorry.
Sorry.
So, now what is next?
Next, she called the nurse. The nurse, she paid the border.
Hey.
She paid the border. She take me on Buyala. Buyala.
Yeah, I remember Buyala. That's where your mother stays.
Yeah.
In Buyala. You once told me that you are looking for your mother. You wanted me to look for your mother.
Mother or daddy? No.
You told me you were looking for your mother. Sometime back last year. You remember?
I remember.
Whom were you looking for?
Father. I don't know where your father go.
You don't know where your father go?
Yeah.
You know his face?
I know.
You know he doesn't want you. You told me he doesn't like you anymore.
I think so.
Yeah?
I think so.
You think he doesn't love you? That's why he's hiding from you. What does your mother say about that?
My mother, she told me.
Munatsonyiwa kaleero kalalamuko. Leero kagenda bba kalalamuko. So what is your mother saying about that? What is she saying about
my father?
Your mom, because she's supposed to give you answers, yet you are asking me, why doesn't your father love you? Me, I don't know the answers. Even I don't know your mom.
You don't know the answer, yeah?
I don't have the answers.
You don't have the answer.
Eh.
My father, she told the mom,
Tetukuwulira.
I'm not the one you produce that child. I'm not the one.
Your father told your mother that I'm not the one who produced that child.
Yeah.
Your mother told you like that. Waha.
She told me the father, my mother told me, you leave your father alone.
Your mother told you to leave your father alone.
Yeah.
No, why were you telling me to look for your father?
But I'm been thinking, yeah?
Yeah.
You can help me.
And do what?
To
Put the microphone here.
I think, yeah? You can help me to talk to my mother or also my father. She can help me for some money.
You want me to talk to your mother and your father? If your mother who produced you can't talk to your father, then how about me who didn't produce you?
You are grown about 18 years.
Me, I'm older than your mother.
Yeah.
What?
What went wrong?
Me, a young girl like me. Agamba magezi kuba bambi jingo togeza kunkuza kutuuka kwekyo beera ng'ogamba kale mu magezi. Okay, Jingo, what do you mean? I'm older than your mother.
You don't older than my mother. I think you are age like my mother.
Ojja kwogera Oluganda. Ojja kyulira.
Ako kannumye.
Kakulumye.
Jingo kyategeeza nti ndi myaka gya maama we.
Oh, Jesus.
You mean Jingo, how old are you? Mukwano kumugondezaamu agambye same age kyayogera kitegeera.
Age.
Akimanyi. Age. Tekaka katonyeze.
Kakati, if I may ask you,
Simbule emboozi.
How old are you?
20 years old.
How old are you?
20 years old.
20 net. How old is your mother?
It is 13 years old.
Aja. Ekisoboka. Akalolo.
Nga 2 January ngenda kukuza emyaka 14. Kati nyina 13. Your mother is what? 13?
30 years.
13? 30. Akitegeeza. Jingo mama we yamuzaala ina 10. Your mother produced you when she's 10. Anti kati mama wa Jingo yazaalira ku myaka 10. Wanani alina myaka 10? How old are you? Yimirira. Yo yazaala Jingo.
Olira How old the father now?
How old is your father? It is how old?
the father.
Yagambye mama wembu it is 13 years.
Hey, kati how it is.
How it is your father old. Atebereze bambi yiyizaawo mukwano.
Think. You think.
Jingo twakumanyira oyina answer kati okusinziira bw'oteebereza according to your mommy's age. How old is your dad? Bw'oba olaba kale.
Just think.
Ayiya naye Jingo. Yes.
You don't know.
Okay, you just think.
Yeah, don't think this.
Tetuwulira.
I don't think my mother, my father.
Have age. Your father doesn't have age.
No.
Take one.
I don't want to lie.
Put here.
But you think he doesn't have age?
It's having age.
It is have, but like how many ages?
16 years.
Sing the daddy sing 16.
Daddy, it is 16 years.
Asinga ku mami myaka 3. Si wabyawo.
Kubanga mami ali myaka gya mmira akutingaawo.
13 oli 16. 10.
No, when they produced you, your mom was 10 years.
She's up.
The eyes are the problem with the light. The eyes are the problem with the light. Ate yaddako kwogera oluzungu.
Bwaba ku ssomero tusanga bizibu ng'ebyo.
Tetwogera French, tetwogera luzungu.
Okujja kwogera French.
Ne French tujakiwuliriza. Tulina French.
Bonjour, bon appétit.
Na bon appétit. Ate no wali osana kubanga oli mwalimu ku French kubanga lukulabikako.
Ate sirumanyi ebyo byenjogedde bibyo. What a dream. Njagala nnyo ebirooto bya Millicent. Lwe namuleta surprise yaloota president nga yenze eyajja.
French ng'omanyi French.
Naye naloota ekimu. Eddi. Njagala ebirooto bya Millicent.
Nga buli bbanga gye wagendanga ng'olina oluyimba lwalyo mu lulimi lwalyo. Oba kweyo twaliwa wali ng'eyo mu bayindi n'oyimba oluyimbi.
Buli gy'ogenda oyimba luyimbi lw'olulimi lwayo. Ogenda ebuyindi ng'oyimba mu luyindi nga
saagala bw'oba ondootera ebirooto tondootera kya buyimbi.
Abyegaanyi.
Lootayo ekintu ng'akeedi. Loota ebirala like kivuunule mu birala.
Omwe muti muli kasente.
Mu kuyimba. Simanyi muyimbi kyalina akeedi. Muŋŋambe. Ŋŋamba nti omuyimbi bw'ati alina akeedi.
Twagala zaakiri naye teri muyimba alina akeedi oba tukoze tutya.
Wama Jingo, we are still with you, Bambi. You are the guest of honor today.
We are not. Katona tuya.
Today you are our guest, Bambi.
You are lost too much.
Yes.
Lost too.
We missed you so much.
Miss you.
Even you did not come. Yes. He would be here.
Hey.
See? Did you hear about this?
I see.
You see, you are not here. What happened?
But I'm busy working.
Busy working, you are sick.
Busy working that time I see.
This time before.
We called him.
Before going, the thief, the man beat him.
The beat, yeah. The bayai. Before the bayai was working with the boss.
Yes. Omanyi Jingo oluzungu lwe bw'alogerera India oba Dubai bamuwulira nnyo okusinga gwe.
Bwe kiri. Ate bali tebamanyiiko.
Nnyo ate bo lulwe lukolayo.
Ate aba abasinga nnyo. Seriously.
The moment when you construct a sentence in the right way, they don't hear you, but you do it wrongly, they will hear you.
Hey.
Yes. So, Jingo, we missed you. Mwine bibuzo bya Jingo bannayo omugenyi w'olunaku.
Bannayo. Ebibuzo bya twamubuuza bibuuzo.
Okay, mubuuze wamma. Kati Jingo. You ask in English. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Tuli mu kanyomero ka English.
Wamma mwine bibuuzo bya Jingo. Muba muwogana naye tubabuuza nga mwemuula. Wamma you ask him. Kati Jingo. Okay, Jingo. How much money? Are you hearing me? How much money did you need? To get well.
But I want a lot of money, a lot of money.
How much? You need a lot of money. Like how much? Like how much?
Another one.
Eh?
I don't know where the treatment is going to take.
You think and tell us. Think and tell us like this money because you've been sick for a long time. At least you must be knowing. If you don't know, then you're not serious. If you are the one who is sick, you should be knowing because you've already made research. So, like, how much do you need to be fine? If you don't think today,
Miss Luganda.
Is the bad thing about we just speak English only.
Luganda.
Nedda Jingo want English. Speak money in English. That's how we are going here.
Zenja kubivunuula bwe
Speak money in English mukwano tudinavunulira. You what?
10,000.
Jingo, what's 10,000? That's 1,000. Oh, what did Dagambia? He wants 10,000. Jemitwalo 10,000. Ababutajidda mu Luganda.
Bebigana bivunula mu lulimi lwe.
Okay. So you want 10,000? That is emitwalo 10 mu Luganda. Okay. Jingo. Kati emitwalo 10 awone. Bakuyunge. Kwezo baba muyunga. Nedda wamma tetumanyi kyamenyeka. Kinene.
Bungi. Bamukuba vivi.
Okay.
Which you go do you have some medical?
I have a receipt. Yeah? My mama bought me the medicine.
Put here.
My mama bought me the medicine. I take all of it.
They don't scan you.
The body
over the leg, over here in the skeleton.
No scanning me.
No standing.
Without scan, we can't tell what was injured.
No scan,
No scan.
No scan.
I'm sorry, ngachibi.
They beat the batuni
but
here.
You are better. Atulabyeko asanyusa enakyo kigenda muwonya. Sicho?
Nedda kata. Bwe kiri.
Sicho Jingo. Feddagala. Okutulabako kikuma.
Nebambe Jingo. Sorry.
Jingo, you seeing us is enough. Yeah?
I see you.
And
Put here.
Better, but
Put here.
have my friends in my. I have my friends plus my dad, plus my mom.
So you don't need us.
I need you.
Hey.
I need you. You Auntie SHIFAH. Hey. I'm for you, Bula. Chairman, Gadi, and Marshall, and Vice, and Mama Suga. Mama Suma.
So you miss Mrs. or miss?
I was missing all of you.
Yeah.
We missed you too, and we love you so much. Eh? You don't love us.
I love you so much.
So much.
Choka bannaye. Wale tunyumiza bambi. Sorry choka kati bannaye.
Choka tuli munsi.
Omukyala kati binaasomekanga alwadde.
Agenda kuona.
Now what are we going to do? There is a wife who loved you. Now you are sick.
I don't see the wife, but I don't see the wife.
What?
If I see the wife, I can be better.
Mom. Oira amanyi galavu gwe. Okola okuleba ku mwaka mwawona lawo.
Because now the wife
Problem.
she think you don't want her anymore.
I love that, my wife.
Mazima. Olira gwe lavu. Chichi?
So you still want the wife, but you are still sick.
Just finish to be better.
Yes.
I'll be the next better.
What? Take away.
I want to be better. I shall need a wife.
Agete mu Luganda nti gwe yasoma na.
Kakata agambye ayagala bwawona aja kwetaaga omukyala.
Tayagala omukyala ino baawo mubizibu. Ananja musanyu owone.
Aje mbuzi bamujjanjala. The mukyala wherever you are come.
If you don't come in problems, you don't come in happiness.
Yes.
You come
So,
now in problems.
The mukyala we need you now.
Solve together the problems of the man. The problems of the man who beat Jingo.
Problem.
Sicho Jingo. Yes, she must come in problems. Yeah?
Don't come on
Jinga abigambye don't come on a problem.
What? Put here.
She's going to come. She's come to be fear me.
She's going to be fear you. No, she loves you. She will not fear.
She's going to be fear me.
No. She's not fear you. She's love you like that.
Olira love gwe. Na akiroza nako naseka busisi.
Nange jinga ya omukyala. Singa abakyala bali bakimanyi Jingo waayagala omukyala. Tulina gwe twafuna. Nawana Jingo surprise.
Najiraba.
Nga sinnabalaba. Jingo oyogola abamuwa ekimuli ky'essente. Omukyala oba kiki ekyabaawo oba bannange oba ddala abalogo kituufu gye bali Jinga. I don't know what happened. You still remember her name? Aye. Yes, she's even in my phone. Oba Alicia, oba Alicia. You remember her? But the problem where the problem came from, Jingo didn't have a
smartphone.
Phone.
Problem.
So they couldn't communicate.
No phone.
No, Jingo was like, give her Jaja's number. The girl was like, I don't want Jaja, I want Jingo.
Bas.
Love problem.
Awe buzubone bujja. Kalasi. Moshikila.
Kati Jingo mne, that was the problem.
Mafi smartphone, mafi love.
Now what are we going to do? But she's still abroad.
My girlfriend. He is there. She's be on there.
On there, you talk to her, she's on there.
Yes.
Online, yeah. I love you so much.
Mazima.
I don't see you. I want to see you.
Auntie,
My eyes.
Who is it?
You sing for her a song. Sing for her a love song.
What's the pen? Sweetheart? What's the pen?
She will know that you're serious.
I don't have a song.
They can put for you there. They put for you.
Which song? Oh, which song you love too much?
For her.
Love. I love.
Which song? Oh? Kogere mu Luganda.
Yes. Nga nyingi. Kati zeze dakika abiri ogenda kugira okolawo kigomanyi kyekitwala okuyiiya kyekituteekawo. Omuyimbi alaba akyali mu muddo.
Oyo Junior ojja muwulira gweze nkubuulire.
Fesa otuula wano. Do you know what it means? 30 minutes ozimanyi.
Kanyingi.
Waliwo watemegula.
Junior ayogere Aiza kazi tusabe mu Luzungu.
Tuwa timu SHIFAH. Kati. So Kati Jingo is going to sing for hey. Ate mugenda labe kinava mu kayimba kagendo yini. The wife is going to be like
and the Jingo is the team who?
Neko love y'oluzungu ine engeri gyenyuma. Kati kwe mwakufananyawo nga Jingo nga is talking to the wife and it's telling her that it is my wife. Kwegamba
ate
ebigambo biba mu Luzungu omanyi mu Luganda tusabuka nnyo but mu Luzungu ebigambo biba bisengeje
ate nga
bitonotono nga ate nga mugaso
nga biri ku point wali
ne Oluzungu lwa Jingo kansokenda oba nyinamu enkwalo musasulire kuba lungi nnyo Oluzungu lungi mu kifo kimu akala amatendo Dundu must shine kati gwe wakana Jingo Oluzungu si lwangu
Abugalo bwa Luzungu.
Thank you so much.
That is how much money I give. 10,000. Muwadde bitwalo.
Home. Mama nyam.
Okay.
10,000.
Luzito wa. Wow.
Bakayimba kakewa ndo.
Biro kayimba munga we bakakebera. Nabira wano wendi manena na. What?
I want a song.
Akazindalo.
I want a song.
Which song?
I want a English song.
Andozolaba. He want English song.
Oba which one nalonga ina kayimba kagalia ko Luzungu kate.
You know the song?
Which English song?
I don't know the song, but yeah, any song.
But why don't you sing?
Do you sing and
understand the Luganda song? Go sing the Luganda song.
I don't know Uganda song.
Bas. Any song in English you play, and we go.
For a lady or for a man?
The lady.
It was English song for the lady.
Yeah.
Yeah? Piano one.
Wait.
Isaac anga wadagala with life.
Our boys to men.
Jingo, we missed you. You've lost weight.
Yeah.
Hey. Take a one. You're what?
I'm stressed. I have a stress in my
Bambi, mute the body and go. Echichigwe.
Isaac aluimbira muntu.
Agambye for the red.
We kasuka akayimba gwe tuve wana. Bananga ali mukwano mwenna wano akayimba kamuli. Ana ali mukwano wano. Bananga tomu fumba kambe tali mukwano zambe. Ne mama aliwa.
Think about Jingo. Yes, think about Jingo, Elisa. We are looking for you. Think about Jingo. Elisa. Think about Jingo, Elisa. Mulupe tusabye Elisa balowooza ku mukwana alowooze ku Jingo.
Love it now.
Yes. Mbujingo bw'alowooza ku mukwana alowooza ku Elisha. Elisha yabulira.
Anti ayogera oluzungu go evunule.
Eno yevunula bulungi. Bw'alowooza ku Elisha.
Elisha is very beautiful.
Elisha mulungi.
I love you so much.
Bakwagala nnyo Elisha.
Mubuuze wali obala kyokumpa ekimuli kya ssente ne keeke n'omala n'obyefuula.
In English.
Give me the
Wali obala what were you counting?
the flower of money. You give me the cake. What can that mean?
Mbu yamuwa ekimuli kya ssente n'amuwa keeki katawo yali ategeeza ki?
But I'm not focusing to Elisa. I love Elisa.
Alowooza ku Elisa, yagala Elisa. Elisa oliwa?
Where are you, Elisa?
Since then, she's not saying anything. You will look for another one. Mugambe, you left me with the
I think too much thinking. I think a lot thinking.
Alowooza bingi. I think a lot thinking.
I think a lot thinking. Alowooza bingi.
I think a lot thinking.
Amateeka wano bawulire bulungi.
I think a lot of thinking. I think to Elisa when she left me on bad way.
Jingo, someone is saying, Antino, you're still younger to have a wife. 20 years. But she's saying 20 years. What are you saying about that?
No problem, but yeah.
How old are you?
It is 6 and 16 years old.
How many?
16 years old.
16 years old. 26 kati. 2016. Amajingo 2016 ze mmeka mu Luganda. Bangambe nyinyonnyodde bubi.
Katuisewo ak'essente giri mmeka? Waliwo atuwadde emitwalo 10 gya Nnaalongo. Agambye addako okuteekako za ttiimu SHIFAH. Bwagambye kale tulize. Kwata bantu.
You talk in English.
24 years old.
Yes. Jingo ina 24. Totebereza wama ina meka jinga emituufu. Teeka waneno tubeere nga tuwuliziganya bulungi bw'okajjako sikuwulira teeka wano tuconnectinge.
Jingo ya Somalia.
bisuleyo mu kasasiro nanoonya bunoonya saalonda ebironda bisuleyo mu kasasiro ono namusanga mu kifo kituufu bwatyo nandaganyisa okumulaga ewaffe bwatyo nandaganyisa okumulaga ewaffe ndalimba n'omulungi ndalimba n'omutuufu ndalimba n'omulungi ndalimba n'omutuufu n'omulungi talaga maama ne taata ye mulenzi wange ono bwensiimye okuba naye ono namusanga mu banka wamma taata lwe wantuma olujjukidde kutereyo ku ssente eza sukulu fiizi werabidde bwe yandaba mu layini bw'atyo nasekereza bwe yandaba mu layini bw'atyo nasekereza bwe yasaba kabayiro nange nenkamuwa bwetyo nenkuba netonnya nampa ku kalifuti bwe yasaba kumulaga ewaffe nange nemuleeta ndalimba n'omulungi ndalimba n'omutuufu ndalimba n'omulungi ndalimba n'omutuufu n'omulungi talaga abadde kubbali abawondera ono mutaddeko akabonero wulira gwe wokalabira tosembera tusabye tolokera kaneyagale n'omulenzi wange biteekemu n'akajanja abadde bewaga okutwawula kibalume abadde kubbali abawondera ono mutaddeko akabonero wokalabira tosembera tusabye tolokera kaneyagale n'omulenzi wange biteekemu n'akajanja
wanje mbadde mugamba ki singala baana beemoola ebyo gwe byokola ebyo n'okubuuza n'odda bwe bati obulire mu mutwe gwa munne tetubalina oli wa ttiimu ki tufudde aliwa yeyeemoola ati nze alaba neemoola nti bakubuuziza n'oyogera ate n'omala n'okola bwe confidence katufune ba holiday makers ba team SHIFAH
baba
bajje batuweyo ku entertainment batubuuze batubuulire junior YouTube obazaayo gye bali okay naye nga mwebali kubaako ndabyewo abapya nga babuuza waliwo gwe ndabye I always see this meeting what is it all about so nandikirewo munyonyola this meeting anti kati obuzungu banayenze kati leero banayantu abaliko baluzungu kubanga wedda jingo bazze kulaba luzungu katatungesirimanyi
kati munyonyere mu Luganda jaluulira naye
siterinze nsembe nakyo
wangi nja kunyonyola Luganda kubanga oluzungu balubuuzizza
gwano nyonyola oluzungu osanga tufunayo ku abazungu ne bakamusente speak English bana
zinga nasoma ne jingo
ogamba jingo
zobweda nanga ayitoko English
kati sokoleke jinga nyonyole mu version ye ekitutunza wano buli Sunday kiche tuliko nawo malo nyonyole mu someone wants to know why we sit here every Sunday. What are we doing here?
This is meeting.
For what?
For meeting for project.
Which project?
Using a shop.
For who?
For Mr. God and Millicent.
Wow. No, Zevanna. Don't must shine, Mateka. N'ubweddo omulinze ate yabyo abyogedde But this meeting is for God and the Millicent project.
In your version.
In my version.
In your own version.
My own version. But this meeting is for God and the Millicent project. Those who are still new here on the internet, YouTube and TikTok. Their version. Dalamuko.
Batumala tugenda londayo wero wishomo okuva modi
ate bana mwando bafete moduka
English. We have to look the English.
The money a problem
So
in
why
Uganda.
The reason why we have a meeting here every Sunday, we make a meeting. We go for introduction. We go to Kabale. I introduce my man, my husband. Then when we come back, then online family say that no, we have to close and the man become your own.
After Wandula, he wasn't your own. He wasn't yours.
Yeah, but even in me, I want it. But even if we didn't get a wedding, we can sit.
For you, you were okay. You were
not okay. But if the money you own him, this man is mine. Even I have a certificate.
Now
you're going nowhere. You're mine.
I am here forever.
Yes.
Then
after the wedding, we wedded. The wedding is there on YouTube. You can go back away when you surprise your loved one on YouTube. You watch the wedding. Then after the wedding, we say that now our mugole wechasa. She will go back in the Chirombe to beat the stones. Then the people say it's not. Yes.
Because
that the mugole will go back to Chirombe. Yes. We have to look something for her to do so that she can maintain the family.
Why stop? Someone is there wondering why are you the one who is supposed to maintain the family? Because the
husband
from Kabale to wedding, now you want business to maintain the family.
Yes.
Why are you the one to maintain the family? What is your husband doing?
The reason why I'm the one to maintain the family, my husband got an accident. Now 3 years back. He got a spinal injury. He can't walk, but he can walk using crutches, small when he's doing exercise. Then I'm the one to support the family. When you say, we want this one, I'm the one to go there to work and bring something to eat. Even if when you're going to live here, you have to first prepare for them what to eat, then you go. So I'm the one to maintain the family. So when I get something to do, he can maintain the family. Even I can't call Mr. Ibla that Mr. Ibla, today we don't have something to eat. That Mr. Ibla, today the kid is sick, we want money for bills. You can be there without begging people. So that's why we are here to make for me a business, but we wanted to make a business and we find that I can't go to work far from my husband and the kids because I have to prepare them. Then after I go to work, then at what time will you go to work? So the business has to be where I stay. And where I stay, the plot is small. We built there our single room, one room, then the space gets over. So we have to buy another land, then we build on the neighborhood, then we build a house, then we put on a business. That's why we sit here in the meeting every Sunday. So we call upon you, everyone who has a good heart, to help us. We beg you, you join us every Sunday, even if you have 10,000, 20,000, 1 million. We receive every money you contribute. We appreciate. We beg you for you. We want your support. So that's the reason why we sit here in the meeting every Sunday.
Oh,
More
Bugalo.
To get more information, you can go on YouTube. When you surprise your loved one, you search God and Medicine, then you will get the full information. Because everything where we started from is there.
All right.
These things, introduction, wedding, it's because of your power. It's not our power. So well, it's because of you. So we thank you, those who support us every time. They don't get tired, but thank you so much. And I thank people of Dundu. They loved me so much. I feel like I'm at home, like Kabari. And thank you.
Clap yourself.
You clap yourself, Dundu people. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Jangu sigwaddako mami nawe. But I have the confidence.
Hey.
Yes.
So we are making things easy for those people watching us. Nina bafani banga balina abami baba abazungu, abamu balina abakyala baba abazungu, abamu balina abami baabwe ba Nigeria.
Yes.
So kati abamu bangamba they find it hard, but like bwetuseka wano nga ali batudde right now.
Yes.
Bavuddeyo ku church.
Yeah.
Mu America bavuddeyo Canada. Kati batudde baba batuwachinga nga tolya tuseka bebirala atalina okudanyonyola omwami we. Now this is what they are saying. Now this one they have told Nalongo to dance. Now she's doing this like bwe batyo. Kati kyemmanyi leero meeting ya leero tubagonderezaamu era mmanyi basuubira okuteekako ku ssente teriyo mobile money. Kozi ani awadde jinga 15,000? Agnes Joy awaddeyo jingo.
Okay. Tweyanziza Agnes Joy.
So, thank you so much. And someone also, there is a person who had a question. Ngabuza, SHIFAH, what is it about Team Ibra, Team SHIFAH? Muba muli kuchi. Nga yatulaba, awulya Team SHIFAH, Team Ibra. So, abuza kitegeeza ki? Anagera kunyonyola mulungu. Zendex. Kale jangu tulinako n'Abaswahili banyonyola mu Luswahili. Omuntu yeebuuza bwemuba kale mutula mu meeting ate tiimu Ibra tiimu SHIFAH kyeki? So bambie
Yes. Asante sana popote mlipo wasikilizaji zetu kutoka Kenya, kutoka Tanzania, kutoka South Africa, kutoka Germany, kutoka India. Kuna mtu ambao anatuuliza ati kwa nini kila Jumatatu tunakanga hapa. Maana ya kukaa hapa tuko tunachanga pesa ya watu hii wawili. God and Millicent, tunataka watu wawili hii wakuwe bie. Ndio wakuwe bie. Ndio sisi kila siku ya Jumatatu tunakanga hapa. Tunachanga pesa kwawa, wapate boma, wapate kazi, wapate dukani. Ndio sisi tunakanga hapa. Asante sana popote mlipo kutusikiza. Jambo.
Omugalo gwa Kiswahili.
Unabambie wanga mimi najua kidogo nataka chakula
watu hii tunataka wakuwe PA
ngambie chikati echo bade manchongereza kulyayo
ngoyagala mmere obemmere butonalya
endera kubiri byayogedde banjogera bilala
anzanti mbagambye nti kituzanga weulanga ngambye nti siku ya Jumatatu kiba mbantegeza olunaku olw'Sunday
Jumatatu ye Sunday
olunaku olw'Sunday ekituzanga wano si kirala twagala tunataka watu wakuwe PA
gadi ni mgonjwa bagambe
ndiye alivunjikana mgongoni spinal cord na muumwa. Hebu ndio tunakanga hapa, tunataka watu hii tuwachange, tuchange pesa kwa hawa hebu wakuwe njema. Ndio tunachanga pesa kwa hawa. Asante sana msikilizaji wetu.
Asante
sana. Abagambye eshaganze byenjogedde bibadde ku mulamu zende sinze byange byenjogedde bibadde bifu
bogenda mpidemu eddagala
ize tunataka meza eddagala sire kugundi dawa ati kati njogedde ekiri acheddagala chakula ante chakula
na kulala
tunataka business checho tunataka nyumbani yeye nyumba
biashara ebu waanze dukani ya biashara.
Kati Oluswahili lwa Kenya lwa Tanzania.
Oluswahili luliro mujasi lwa kana ngawe mwogero olungeza kati olungeza lwa fadi.
Nkusibirako nze waffe tuli mebikebi era ffe tuli banyambo siwerwe waffe Tanzania luna watuke abutukula siwe lukutwale Tanzania
kati jangu
tuweyo Nalongo tuweyo Oluswahili oli ku boda
sakulirayo naye walimo olugatiriro lutaliyo
kati olule lugatiriro
lw'abakongo
luliwa kati kitegeeza olumanyi kati twogere
olutunda
Nalongo amanyi Oluswahili aluremedde kati Nalongo tomanyi
wamma jangu Faiso basabe mu Lunyarwanda namwate muteke saba kateke mukole Tanzania oluseke tugera tutekamu ennyini
omuwulire naye akugambye
Nalongo
kati olwasole twogedde lukomyewa
ololije basabye mutukulagwe
Nalongo
kicha kikunyiza
nasi sende tusayogedde ne tugamba kale si wewe tufu
okay
byonna bituufu mama Nalongo wanyiza
Nalongo achanyiga
Omunyarwanda wayoga Oluganda
abantu b'Imana Imana ishimwe turabakunda cyane ubwo twicara ahangaha tuba turi mu kiganiro tunezerwa ariko dushaka amafaranga dushaka na amafaranga yo kugura iporoti twongere kuyo dufite. Sasa nitumara kugura iporoti tukongera kuyo dufite twubake, nitumara kubaka tubagenere akazi bashobora gukorera muri iyo poroti yabo mu bumuga bwabo bafite. Uyu mugore ntabwo dushaka asiga urugo, turashaka asigare muri uru rugo atunga umugabo we, atunga abana n'amafaranga yabona yo kugura ibyo kurya. Bantu b'Imana nicyo kintu kiduteranya ahangaha. Buri cyumweru dutangira isaha 10 tukicara tukaganira tukanezerwa tukaboneraho na bene wacu, kuko benshi ntabwo tubazi nabo ntabwo batuzi, ariko iyo duteraniye ahangaha buri umwe amenya mugenzi we, nta umenya uko yaraye, nta umenya uko yiriwe, ariko iyo duteranye ku cyumweru turaganira buri umwe akumva agahinda ka mugenzi we. Maze n'uyu mukecuru yaraje kuduhagarikira kandi ntabwo yari atuzi, none mu mwanya yaje kugira ngo ahagarare natwe tujya ngo namwe mudufashe muhagarare hamwe nawe maze dufashe uyu musazi. bagenzi ibyo nsenga byose ibyo mpamagara Imana byose namwe ndabahamagaye nkuko mpamagara Imana yanjye ndabinginze mu izina ry'Imana ndabinginze koko mudufa amafaranga turebe ikintu twakora mugenzi ibyo niyo magambo yanjye nsigaye ndige vice y'ubu bukwe y'iyi nama kuva ubwo byatangiye na n'ubu bashyizemo ubwizere ngo njye mvugana namwe none nahinduyemo abanyarwanda mwese muri aho ngaho mukuri kw'Imana muze dufatanye n'abagande mwumvirize muri bumenye icyo mvuga uwegereye undi amubaze ngo avuze iki turashaka amafaranga nta kindi do aya masahane yuzuye ubusa amafaranga arimo timu mukuri kw'Imana timu SHIFAH habe n'ijana yari yabona mudutabare bantu b'Imana mudutabare ndapfukamye kuko turashaka amafaranga
Icyo nange kitegere nti timu SHIFAH mu inama ya denecha
Hope SHIFAH nakawombe owa program wewunyisa omwagalwawo eyavaayo okutambuliranga ku mazima n'okukugusisanga ensonga kale nno tumugoberere tetugenda kwejjusa